Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilas from Trader Next Door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us. And first and foremost, you can probably guess from the background that I am back from my vacation. So from Monday onwards, okay, you can expect regular videos. Okay, so this is the chart of gold in front of us, and as we all know, because of the war, okay, things have been crazy. Okay, and after this massive drop on gold, we can see that gold is trying to go up again. So gold made a high of 4800 and then gold came down to almost 4550. Okay, and this was a big drop. Right now we can see that gold is trying to go up, but things are not very simple. Gold is struggling. If you look at a higher time frame, then we can clearly see that the road is not going to be very easy for gold. Okay, first and foremost, let's look at the daily chart of gold. And this is the daily chart. As we all know, gold is fundamentally bullish. Yes, there will be corrections because this is part of the game. So if you're a positional trader, means you are holding position on gold for months and years, then obviously you don't need to worry about gold. Okay, you can hold your buy positions. When gold came to 4,100, that was a big opportunity for positional traders. Those who grab buy positions, you can hold your buy positions because this is the chart, okay, in front of you. You can easily guess. If you're a swing trader, okay, where you hold positions for a couple of days to weeks, then this chart may not be perfect for you because we can see that there is a confusion. Okay, because you do not have the horizon to hold position for a couple of months and years. Okay, so in that case, that can be a very big problem because we can see that on the chart of gold, after this massive drop, gold is trying to go up. It is trying to recover, but in comparison to the selling pressure, we can see the buying power is a little bit less. So if you are on a buy side right now and you are looking for a good profit in the next few days, then okay, it is a little bit risky because it may take some time. Because we can clearly see on the chart of gold that though gold is trying to recover, but sellers are still dominating. So if you're a swing trader and looking for position for a couple of days and weeks, then I will suggest you, okay, to look for opportunities outside gold, because personally I don't feel that this is the right chart for swing traders right now. Yes, as a day trader, you can stick to the levels and make some money around the levels, or as a position traders, you can hold your buy position for a couple of months and years. Personally, I feel that this is not the ideal chart for swing traders. If I'm wrong, if I have missed anything, you can write it in the comment section as well. And because of the ongoing war and especially US President Donald Trump, okay, we know it very well that things are not very certain these days. Okay, and there is no doubt about it. And this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us right now. Okay, let's discuss about the trading opportunities. So the market opening is going to be very, very important. Okay, if there is a big drop after the market opening, then obviously uh, okay, we can expect the market to take support around these three levels. You can see I have marked 1 2 3, so let me mention them one by one. So the first and the best support is around 4500, round number. Okay, so if market drops, 4500 is the best support. So the market opening is going to be important. If market drops with high volume, high selling pressure, observe the market around 4500. If market takes support, we can look for a buy. The second support is around 4567. Okay, keep in mind these are zones in the market, not precise levels. Around 4565, 4570. If you see market taking support, we can look for a buy position. If market drops with low volume, means small candles, this is the best support, 4567. And we can also look for support around 4535 to 40, this dotted line here. So these are the three support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if gold drops after the market opening. Clear? And if market goes up after the market opening, then we have two resistances. Let me mention them one by one. The best level to take a sell position is around 4800, but keep in mind gold is trying to recover. Gold is fundamentally bullish, so eventually market will break 4800, but we are day traders, So as a day trader, we can look for one-time selling opportunity around 4795, 4800. Okay, if market shows price rejection from above, we can look for sell around 4800, 4795. And my dear friends, if you see gold is going up after the market opening, okay, if you see size of the candles are like this, means not very high volume, then as a day trader, you can also look for a sell around 4750 as well. Okay, keep in mind, no level is permanent. Do not be a gambler. Do not sell blindly. If you see that price market is showing price rejection from above around the levels, market is behaving according to our expectation, then only take a sell position. There may be many opportunities in the market, but a real trader only takes when, okay, he feels the opportunity is right. Not all the opportunities are right. Okay, for example, we have three support levels on the chart of gold. Maybe we will get only one buy opportunity. Okay, so around 456770, 3540, and around 4500 we can look for a buy if market takes support or shows price rejection from below. Okay, and if you want to take some little risk, okay, you can also look for a buy above 4700 if you see that after market openness gold is going up. But if you're looking for some good trades, reliable trades, then stick to the levels that we discuss. Okay, now let's wait and watch for the market to open, and things are a little choppy right now. So if you're wondering, Avinash, what is the direction of the market? The direction of the market is, I won't say market is very much bullish, but yes, it is trying to be bullish again, but the road is not going to be an easy one. That's it. Okay, so let's be patient. If you have a buy, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is surviving above 4500. And if you're a day trader, I will suggest you to stick to the levels. If you're a swing trader, then obviously things are a little bit off or a little bit weird for you right now, because we are not having any clear signs here. Okay, so stay in touch with the news. Okay, let's hope that peace comes, okay, very soon, because things are not very good globally. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.